Anybody from Dixon here tonight?
Shit's weak.
Boys and their toys, I swear.
Spore Optimus.
We would like to thank Double A Trucking, Solex, Jeff Fountain, Keith Pruitt, Mark Atkinson, Ken Holloway of West Coast Railroad, Ray Kraft family, and friends of the fair for their support in this event tonight.
Cables on the...
Man, I was going to throw in more tractor. But they didn't tell me. Can I write more tractor down? And more tractor.
Oh, sorry, my bad.
We need to start a fund. We need like 5 or 6 pumpkin colored shirts that says official on the back. You're officially orange.